Good morning, everybody. Welcome to class again. Yes, that's right. So I thought it'd be funny to do some 5th grade math problems, seeing how I am totally hopeless at anything related to math. So when I was in school, I was actually pretty good at math and I kept getting like A's and B's. But the thing is, I never learned any of it. I just memorized what I needed to for the test, filled that in, and then it just left my brain. So not great at math. I'm honestly probably the worst person when it comes to math. Anyways, what it comes down to is I have a math test here, a 5th grade math test that I'm going to be trying to fill out. You guys can follow along with me. I'm going to maybe under here, up there, down wherever Editing Z puts it. I'm going to put the page that I'm on and you guys are going to see me struggle with math. Question 1. What is the value of the expression 54 minus, why is that in parentheses? 12 divided by 2? So, how do I do this? This is, so I'm assuming we go 45 and we minus that by 12, but then it gets a negative number. So, wait, you do the parentheses first. Okay, so we do 12 divided by 2. That's 6, so that's 6, but then minus 54, but 54 minus 6 is, that's not an option. We have 21, 30, 33, and 48. C, always go with C when you're in doubt. I don't think I did that right. This is number 2, by the way. Which list is in order from least to greatest? There we go, it's C. Number 3. What is the greatest common factor of 18 and 24? What is a common factor? So we have 18 and 24 and the options are 2, 3, 4 and 6. Common factor. 2. What is the coefficient of 47.1? Why are we doing 0.1? 47.1 divided by 5. Hey Siri, what is the coefficient of 47.1 divided by 5?
47.1 divided by 5 is 9.42.
So that is 9.42. I knew that off the top of my head. Okay, on to the second page. Use the circle graph below to answer this question. The circle graph shows the results of a survey of 300 5th grade students to find out where they would like to go for their class field trip. How many students would like to go to the zoo? As you can see here, the zoo is the second largest, so that means that we have to do the second largest, but because it's small, we go on down, which means that it's B90. The walking club, well that's boring. The walking club at school walked 3 1 over 2, 3.5 miles the first week and 3 1/4 mile the second week. How much farther did the students walk the first week than the second week? They walked less though. They walked less. Oh no, they walked more. Wait, because 1/4 is only a quarter and one half is a half. So they walked less. This is a trick question. They walked less. Can't trick me? Yeah. Anyways, next page. Anna eats 30% of a pizza that is cut into 10 pieces that are the same size. What fraction of a pizza does she eat? She eats not enough pizza. That's the real answer here. C. Which fractions have a common denominator of 24? Oh, denominator. Which fractions have a common denominator of 24? I don't want to dominate anything, honestly. C. Oh God, we have these things again? What are 10 2/3 minus 8 1/7? C. Which solid object has 4 faces, 6 edges, and 4 vertices? Well, 4 faces, 1, 2, 3, 4. That's a triangle. It's a triangle. That's the only one that has 4 faces. I mean, it has no faces. I can draw a smiley face on there. Now it has 1 face. 5 pounds of apples cost $5.78, and not in this economy. Mary needs 10 pounds of apples to make applesauce. Wow, that's a lot of applesauce. Which estimate is the closest to the cost of 10 pounds of apples? If 5 pounds, then it's 10. 10. 11. Sorry, 12. Wait, 12? Yeah, 12. Use the picture below to answer the question. Oh, I can do that clock. Oh, wait, no, it's an angle measure. I can do angles. What is the measure in degrees of the angle formed by the hands of the clock? That is an acute angle. 30. That's 30. No, 45. If this is 90 and this is 45, then see. Christina's heart rate. Okay. Hi, Kat. You gonna help me? Kat, what is Christina's heart rate? Kat, can you help me? What is Christina's heart rate? Kat, what is Christina's heart rate? Yeah, this one. Help me. Help me. Kat, is it A, B, C, or D? Kat. A, B, C, or D? Kat! You're useless! It's C. Use the coordinate grid below to answer each question. Oh my god. Which point has coordinates? Oh, I can do this. A. What you doing? I'm testing! Quiet down! What is the value of B when B plus 4.1 equals 241? Well, I mean, obviously it's giving me the answer. It's B. Is it B? We're going with B. Put that on the board!
Lock it in, chumpa!
Lock it in!
Come on, Grant!
Lock it in! Lock it in, Grant! Lock it in!
Lock it in! Lock it in!
I really hope my math teacher never sees this. I'm sorry, Miss. She'd be so disappointed in me. Use the picture below to answer the question. I'm getting heat stroke and I'm doing math. Price of cookies. 20 cents each or $2 per dozen. Trisha wants to buy 1 dozen cookies. What is the difference in price between buying 12 cookies individually and buying them in the dozen? 20 cents. Jake uses 1.5 gallons of gasoline each hour to most long. That's not very eco-friendly. Which number shows the amount of gasoline he uses? C. Use the line graph below to answer your question. Which table matches... Oh my god! Kill me! Fuck. C. Use the equation below to answer the question. Fuck it. C. That was the test. I'll go grade it. It will be on your screen if I did well or not. I'm gonna go cry and take a nap. And if you don't struggle with math, skill issue, I think. Blah.